This video will demonstrate the installation of a Headlight Armor Headlight Protection Kit on a Chevrolet Camaro using our Clear Headlight Protection film. Before you begin, you'll need your Headlight Armor lighting kit and squeegee, a spray bottle with straight water, a can-do attitude, your hair dryer, a microfiber towel, and a razor knife. Once you have your headlight clean, mist down the surface of the lens with water. Remove the kit from the backing paper, mist the adhesive side down with water, and apply to the headlight. We're going to start by aligning the inner edge next to the signal light. Once you're happy with the alignment, squeegee the first few inches down. Once the inner edge is set, squeegee from the inner edge to the back of the headlight down the center line, and then from the center line up to the top of the headlight, and from the center line down to the bottom of the headlight, working in small increments. You can heat the material with the hair dryer. And continue squeegeeing to the edge of the kit until all the material is down. Finish up by going over the edges with your microfiber towel. You can heat the edges with the hair dryer. If you have any material hanging off an edge, trim it flush with the razor knife, and you're done. Visit HeadlightArmor.com for lighting protection kits for your specific application today.